scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Perfectly competitive firms must decide when to stay open or close. We will analyze total revenue versus variable costs to find the right move quickly. In the short run, a profit-maximizing firm always looks at its costs. If the total revenue earned can't even cover the total variable costs, the firm is losing money fast. This specific condition is equivalent to saying the price is less than the average variable cost. When this happens, every unit produced actually adds more to the firm's total losses. Continuing production causes greater losses than stopping. Therefore, the best choice is to shut down immediately, making option B correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch for revenue falling below variable costs. Trust rules to avoid a rush.